Hey boo, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be installing a 13 by 6 and a 28 inch. Let's get straight into it. Today I will be using Dola hair glue. Y'all, I found this glue on TikTok shop, and when they sent me one originally to make content, I went back and bought 3 of them because this glue is really that good. Like, I love it. Now, when I'm applying this glue, I only ever really do like 3 to 4 layers. Really 3 is the max. I feel like 4 is pushing it and then it gets too tacky, so 3 is really the perfect amount. See, look, I be moving too fast. I done forgot to cut my ear tabs, y'all. Like, how did you forget that? Anyways, gonna do a little snip, okay? Because you have to cut your ear tabs before you put that glue on. Like, don't be like me. Learn from my mistakes, okay? Yeah. So when putting the glue on your ball cap, you really only want to do 1 layer. That does not have to be a super thick layer. It's just a little thin layer so your ball cap stays on. One of my videos went viral on TikTok for a wig tutorial, and the girls was asking for my ball cap method, so here it is. So now it's time to spread that glue even, okay? You want to make sure you do that so that this ball cap can hurry up and dry, because we're not trying to sit on the ball cap for a long time. This should be the quickest part of your install. Right now, I'm just filling in the gaps to make sure that the glue is everywhere it's supposed to be. Now, I always cut my ball cap directly down the middle and then just go from side to side. That's the easiest way for me. And then that way, you can just tie those 2 pieces that you have left in the back so that your cap doesn't go sliding back. Don't be scared to get close to your skin. Like, don't cut your skin, of course, but you have to get really close so that your ball cap can look melted underneath the lace.
I mean, as a female, even if you do want that, you are still kind of like beholden to the man to make it happen.
If you ever see me look into different cameras because I'm recording for my TikTok, y'all can follow me on there at i.amtrinity. Y'all, I don't know why I put that glue on so messy, but this just goes to show that you do not have to be perfect. You don't have to do big dots. You don't have to do little dots. You can just do you, okay? My biggest tip for when you're applying your glue is just always make sure your layers are thin and they're completely spread out. Because when they are completely spread out, you won't see any glue. Like, it'll be clear. I always use the end of my edge brush to smooth out my glue, and then immediately after that I go in with my finger and I just make sure that it's spread it thin. Now, I actually did not show how I applied the lace on top of the glue, but I have so many videos on my TikTok that shows what method I use when I do that, so just go check that out. Now, this is the melting spray that I use. I love this Tresemme spray, hands down. You're going to spray it on your fingertips and then apply it to the lace. Don't just spray it directly on the lace because that can cause that white residue. So just spray it on your fingertip and then apply it to the lace. One of my black wraps, and I'm gonna fold it in half and then apply it to the lace. This helps so that the lace band isn't sticking to your lace after you spray all that melting spray on it, so don't forget this step. Now, Ekane was right when she said leave that band on for an hour, okay? She was right. But for this first little part, I'm only gonna leave it on for 30 minutes and then I'm gonna switch to a skinnier band. Now it's time to start sectioning that hair out so we can start hot combing it into place. In the next clip, I will be showing the wax stick I use. I actually really love the quality of this wax stick, but I will say less is more, so you do not need to use a lot. Y'all, the way I be running through hot combs is crazy. Like, they're just always dropping, breaking. It's always something going on with them. So yeah, this is my new one. I got it off I was gonna say TikTok. I got it off Amazon and it was $36. It's a little pricey for a hot comb, but I had to spend a little bit more this time because I was not about to keep buying another hot comb. Now, all of my hot combs that I buy usually get up to $500. So yeah, I would recommend getting a hot comb that gets up to like $450, $500, so you can really get that wig as flat as you need it to be. But always be careful because I done burned myself so many times with these hot tools. Like, look how flat I got that wig. Seriously, like, look how flat that is. Like, this is what you want. So get those products and just do exactly what I'm doing, because I promise you that wig gonna be to the sky. And now I'm pulling out my baby hair. One thing that I always do to like make sure I have enough hair for that swoop is just swooping it into place. Like, just go ahead, act like you're doing your baby hair, and if that looks full, then you're good. If it doesn't look full, keep adding more hair. I actually just started using BioSilk heat protectant, and I really love this product. It's lightweight and it doesn't leave like an oily feeling on your hair, so I would definitely recommend this one. I wanted to go for a different look today. I wanted some loose curls, so I used my T3 body waver instead of my regular one to get some loose curls. Now, when I tell y'all, I did not know what I was doing with this barrel at first. I swear, I was like, I know how to curl, but this barrel is bigger than my regular one, so I was really struggling at first, and the curls wasn't looking tight, but they're not supposed to, so I didn't know. So y'all just gonna have to watch me struggle for a little minute. I swear, it's the best feeling when you take that lace band off and your lace is just melted to the gods. Like, thank you, Jesus. Like, it looks so good.
That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in a hassle. Oh, damn, yeah. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that. You be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I can lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time.
Now, I am not going to leave y'all hanging when it comes to the baby hair. This is the product that I use.
Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor.
Now, I'm going to be completely honest. It depends on the style, whether I care how the baby hair look or not. Like, if I'm doing the middle part, I really don't care about my size for real. Just the baby hairs that shows. I be getting a little tasty. But, yeah, here y'all go.
It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday.
I'm gonna redo my bangs because they keep falling. That's the thing about loose curls. They will fall. They can shoot for that money, but
let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we could give it all that we got. Too busy for this shit right now. Don't wanna talk about this.
y'all, I honestly don't have a tutorial for this part. I was struggling real bad. Like, I needed some help, but you know what? I got it together at the end, so just keep watching for the final look. Like, I know how to curl my hair, but I struggle with the middle part, getting those two bangs to match up. Now, the side part gonna eat down every time, but that middle, it just be like, what am I doing here?
He's speeding the rain, falling down on my coochie. He touching a million coochie, doing good, jump Gucci. Fly to Asia, he feeding me sushi. When we it feel like a movie. Rock ain't never been a groupie. Still on a hoe, I like my nigga bougie. Tell me you'll never wanna lose me. Tell me you'll never wanna lose me.
I got something all over me. That's a damn shame.
Tell me you'll never wanna lose me. Tell me you'll never wanna lose me. Tell me you'll never wanna lose me. Tell me you'll never wanna lose me.
I forgot the camera was rolling. But yes, I said at something and now it's on my pants. Thank God I brought these jogging pants out the house with me today. Because I don't know. Something tell me like, take some jogging pants with you. Take an extra pair of something. I'm glad I did because it's like I almost knew that something was going to get on my pants. Like, I knew something. But the jogging pants cute. With the little outfit too. So I did my little 1-2 today, period. I swear, when my hair is done, when I do my hair, it just brings out the ultimate bad bitch in me. Like, it just reminds me like I'm really that girl. So if y'all want to see tutorials of me doing my hair, like 4 detailed tutorials where I'm telling you my tips, my tricks, everything that I've learned so far, just let me know in the comments. I need that motivation, like, for real, because doing that type of content is not easy. And I already tried to record a video like that and I didn't like how it came out. I didn't like the install, I didn't like none of that. So this one, 10. So thank you all so much for watching my video. I will have more vlogs and more things coming soon. I'm trying to be more consistent on my YouTube because I genuinely want to build a community over here. I already built the community over there on TikTok. Got my little community on Instagram. I need that on YouTube. So yes, comment below if y'all want that video, what color wig y'all want me to do for the install video, all that. And let me know exactly what it is that y'all want to see. Like, do y'all want to see me plucking? Y'all want to see me bleaching? Do y'all want to see my ball cap method? Like, what is it that y'all want to see me doing for the wig. So thank you again for watching. I hope y'all have a great fucking day, night, whatever time you watch this. I just hope y'all have a blessed time. Okay, yeah, see y'all later.
And we can just while we're being friends, girl, I know you want it.